Joe Rogan reveals U.S. shut down Antarctica after a drone captured this. This is what he claims. They were fast in shutting down an entire continent, Joe Rogan claims. In this captivating interview, the curtain is pulled back on the secretive, enigmatic world of Antarctic operations as a former tradesman and firefighter shares startling revelations, and they could shake the foundations of what we think we know about the most isolated continent on Earth. You need a special permit to go there. This whistleblower, who spent years working within the shadowy confines of the South Pole, he recounts his chilling experience with a level of detail that leaves little doubt about the gravity of the situation. Now, according to his claims, a series of inexplicable, unsettling events began to unfold after a high-tech drone used for scientific research captured footage that was never meant to be seen by the light of day. The nature of what this drone recorded remains shrouded in secrecy, but it was enough to trigger an immediate and drastic response from U.S. authorities, and it led to the abrupt shutdown of operations and the imposition of strict communication blackouts. The covert operations. From his first-hand experiences at the facility, this insider reveals a web of covert activities and advances, possibly extraterrestrial technologies, that are hidden deep within the icy heart of Antarctica. He speaks of strange unidentified objects buried under miles of ice, strange atmospheric anomalies, and unexplained occurrences that seem to defy the laws of physics. More disturbingly, he hints at the presence of an elite group of scientists and military personnel who are not just studying the polar environment, but are already conducting experiments that push the boundaries of what is ethically and morally acceptable, he says. The whistleblower's insights into the true nature of the research being conducted paints a picture of a landscape riddled with intrigue, danger, and a darkness that few have dared to explore or acknowledge publicly. As Rogan presses for more details, the conversation takes on an ominous turn, suggesting that the ramifications of what was uncovered could have global consequences, raising questions about what is really happening in the frozen expanse of Antarctica. Let's remember Admiral Byrd went there with Operation High Jump. He was supposed to go and find out what was going on there with the Nazis and whatever else. And they had an expensive and expansive military entourage, but they left after a few weeks. And that was unexpected. This is on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.